3 powerful platforms for selling your products. When it comes to making money online, selling a digital product is one of the most straightforward methods, as well as one of the most rewarding and the most profitable. This means selling a product with zero overheads, where the entire transaction can be automated by a tool such as WooCommerce. What's not to like? But why not take things a step further? By adding your products to JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank, you can potentially skyrocket your sales. In this presentation, we'll look at how this works. So first, what are these sites? While JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank are all separate entities, they have one thing in common. They are affiliate platforms. What this means is that they list products that can be sold for commission. If you were an affiliate marketer, then you might visit these sites in order to find ebooks, courses, and other products that you could sell for commission. You can make a lot of money this way. But have you ever thought about being on the other side of the equation? What if you were the person with the product? Firstly, you can use all 3 of these sites to sell directly. This is a captive audience of people who are highly interested in internet marketing. So if you have a product that caters to that audience, then you can potentially make some big sales here. But that's not all. These sites are also useful if you want to get help selling. If you list your product and open it up to affiliate marketers, then you'll be able to enlist a legion of professional marketers to help you sell your book. So, for instance, if you are already selling your ebook from your website for $25 per download, you can continue doing this. You have lost nothing. But now let's say that you offer to give away 50% of your earnings for every sale. That way, you're still earning $12.50 per sale. If an affiliate marketer with a mailing list of 100,000 highly targeted people should jump on board, then that could potentially mean hundreds of sales overnight, without you lifting a finger. Sure, you're giving away some profit, but you just made hundreds or thousands of dollars you wouldn't have made otherwise. But now imagine what happens when you have 200 marketers all doing the same thing. 5 essential skills you should develop as an internet marketer. A lot of your success as an internet marketer will come down to your own specific skill set. Do you have the necessary know-how and skills to stand out from the crowd and to take your business to the next level? The problem is that a lot of internet marketers are happy to rest on their laurels. They know how to write blog posts and they can use social media. That's enough, right? Wrong. If you want a competitive edge, then the more skills you learn, the more successful you will be. In this presentation, we'll be going over some extremely effective skills that will help you progress. Copywriting. Writing is one thing. Knowing how to write correctly is another. You should know how to follow AP guidelines for your articles and posts, and you should understand how to write persuasive sales copy for those sales pages. Vector art. This is an example of a skill that can help you get ahead of the pack. Vector art allows you to create logos, icons, and other images that can be scaled to any size with no loss of quality or resolution. This is crucial, as it is what is used as the industry standard. If you want to design your own elements and you want them to look professional, you need to learn tools like Adobe Illustrator. While you're at it, you can also gain a lot from learning to create 3D models in a piece of software such as Blender. And you can gain more again from using something like Photoshop. This way, you can create amazing images to go with your posts and to adorn your site. Videography, video editing. Adding a video marketing component to your business will help you progress incredibly quickly and incredibly well. Videography and video editing will allow you to create high-quality videos so that you can vlog on YouTube, or so that you can create videos that will help you to market your products. Development. Becoming a developer is another extremely worthwhile endeavor. As a developer, you will have the necessary skills to be able to create your own website and to add interactive functionality and to even build apps that further promote your efforts. SEO. Of course, understanding and being able to execute an SEO campaign is another extremely beneficial skill that will help your content get seen by more people. Don't just learn the basics, master this subject, and you'll be unstoppable.